Next, I'm going to show you how to use the analyze the direction analysis function here. You just select this function and then select all the surface and press middle button of the mouse. You can show the dialog. This show you the color range, which angle is which color. So you can also move the mouse on the surface to check. This face is 0 degree, this is 3 degree, yeah. And I want you to check here. Just now I removed this hole here by Z minus direction. So this wall should be 0 degree. This also 0 degree. And how about the bottom two? Also it will be almost the same, 0 and 0. Okay, now I'm going to modify this 40 degree face to be 30 degree. Okay, let's close this. I'm going to choose taper and use a taper, and I use a neuter plane. This will be my planes, the neuter plane, and I will select the 4 small face, this face and this face, and these 2 face also, this and this. And I will now I will use the normal plane options, yeah, and I'll key in 30 degree and click OK to create a taper. And let's check the angle again, direction analysis and zooms. You can see this side is not changed, 0 degree. This side is 25.6. And the bottom one is 60, right? So the angle is totally out. It's not what we intend to be. So in that case, let's change some things. Yeah. All the features here, it can be changed, right? You can key in different value, change parameter. How to change the features? We're going to go back to taper features and right click and select the edit features. Okay. And now I'm going to click back these options, and I will change the directions to be user defined directions. And I will click the point here and select along Z. Point up or down is okay. Let's make it point down. Press middle button and select OK to update the features. And next, we will check again the angle analysis. You can see now, this is 30 degree, this is also 30 degree. The bottom 2 face, it will be 30 degree also. Let's zoom and check 30 and 30. This is what we need. So the direction analysis tool is very good tool for us to check the draft angle of the part at any time we want. Next, I'm going to create a sketch on the XY plane. Select sketch, and the tandem plane, I already temporarily off it, hide it away. That is okay. If you just want to select the XY plane, you just press the middle button of the mouse. The default plane of the sketch is XY. Press middle button of the mouse, and the default plane, the XY plane, is automatic selected. And let's go to the top view, and I'm going to sketch a box somewhere over here, and then put the dimensions, and this will be 0.5 for now, and this will be 0.5 25, and the distance between this edge and this, I'll put it 1.325. Okay, and distance from this edge to this 0 point, it will be 3.5. And right click and select Exit Sketch. This will be our sketch. Go to solid, remove extrude. I'm going to remove by this sketch here, by the Z directions. In case you need to change the direction, you click the point here, along the Z, and then I will use the true functions. By delta, by reference, I will choose a true. Through one side, that means I will remove everything through one directions. Then just OK, and here's our hole. I will now copy the hole into 9 hole. So I will go to Edit and select copy geometry, and I'll select a linear array. By default, the system will select the whole solid object, because now I just want to select the whole. I cannot select the whole solid object, so I have to deactivate the object filter and on the face filter so that I can select the face. And make sure you select this 4 face and this face, this 4 face. We're going to copy 9, and then press middle button of the mouse to accept the 4 face. Next is to select the origin point. So for now, I will select this point as our origin, and select the second point as the X direction point, and the third point, it will be our Y direction point. So we will create only one row. In this case, we will create the X will be 9 piece. We're going to copy 9, and Y count will be 1 row. And I can flip the directions by clicking the arrow if I need. And then key in the distance. For example, for the X, I will key in 0.35. Now, after I key in this value, and next I have options to merge off or merge on. Okay, if I use merge off and click OK, what CimatronE do? CimatronE just copy the four face into 9 set. That is all. Yeah. So now I'm going to create. You can see here don't have any hole. Next, I will edit this feature again. Right click, edit, and now I will use a merge on. So CimatronE will merge the faces into the object, creating the 9 hole. Then OK. Now let's on the tandem plane by pressing the middle button and the right button of the mouse together. Select the tandem to on back the tandems, and I'm going to create inclined plane. Go to tandem plane and select inclined, and I will choose this axis for because my plane will go through this axis, and uh, refer to this plane for the angle. So now I'm going to key in how about 35. Note, maybe I will flip the directions. Click the arrow to flip the directions. This will be the plane that I need, 35. Then OK. So you can always resize the plane to look exactly like the web page. Now I'm going to use the inclined plane to create a sketch. Go to Sketch and select the inclined plane and select the rotate to plane options. And I'm going to sketch a box here, roughly somewhere here. A box with dimensions. Over here is 0.5. Between the center and this edge, it will be 1.9, and edge to the center here, it will be 3.2. And this edge will be 0.8. Right click, exit the sketch. Next, we're going to use the sketch to make a hole here. This time I'm going to try using a different approach by creating a new object. Yeah. Let's go to Solid, New, Extrude. I will select this sketch over here and both sides, and each side will be 0.05 and 0.05, and then OK to create this object, a cutter. Later on we're going to use this cutter